Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset your LG Smart TV. Now, the steps provided in this video vary depending on what model of LG Smart TV you have. But the first thing that we're going to do is click on the gear icon on the upper left hand corner. Next, we're going to click on the gear icon again, located on the upper left hand corner. Then from here, we're going to scroll down to where it says General. Click on General. And then scroll down to where it says System. Click on System. Now down below here, you're going to see some option called Reset to Initial Settings. And what this is going to do is that it's going to revert your TV to its initial settings. This is basically a factory default reset. So click on this if you want to go ahead and factory reset your TV, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and factory reset your LG Smart TV. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.